Why jackfruit is good for diabetes. Jackfruit, the largest tree-borne fruit, is known by many names across the country and world, and is used in cooking and even more varied style. While some tropical countries use ripened jackfruit to make custards and cakes, in southern India, it is extensively used with rice to make idlis and dosas. The powder form of the fruit has binding capabilities and is thus added to the idli or dosa batter to make a healthy high-fibre breakfast. In the northern part of the country, jackfruit or kathal is used as an occasional gourmet vegetable, commonly referred to as the vegan chicken. The leaves and even the seeds of this fruit are edible are used in different ways by culinary maestros. The seeds of the fruit are considered protein-rich and are served roasted in Kerala, which is the largest producer of jackfruit in the world. Jackfruit truly is jack of all tastes. While a lot of people might know or have heard about this versatile fruit, very few people know about its health benefits, especially about the health benefits for diabetics. Unlike ripe jackfruit, raw jackfruit that has a lower glycemic load can help you balance your blood sugar levels. Raw jackfruit, due to its low acidity level, is one of the fruits can be consumed as a replacement to your regular intake of carbohydrates. So, if you substitute a bowl of cooked white rice with your jackfruit, its high solid fiber content helps you keep your sugar levels in control or even lower the risk of developing the condition. The presence of natural sugars and fiber in the fruit may actually help control blood sugar levels in diabetics or lower the risk of having diabetes. It prevents and manages diabetic symptoms by regulating the release of glucose and insulin in the body and improving insulin sensitivity. Moreover, the powdered jackfruit seeds are known to give instant relief from indigestion. Sun-dry the seeds first and then grind them to a powder. Store this powder for a quick, homemade remedy for indigestion. You can also consume jackfruit seeds directly for constipation, as it's a rich source of dietary fiber. All of these conditions, if not treated in time, may result in diabetes. If you are diabetic and decide to add raw jackfruit to your diet along with your regular medicines, please do so under strict supervision of your doctor.